if you really want to become a high-paying front-end developer or a back-end developer or a blockchain developer who integrate front-end with blockchains, then those days are gone completely. Like what happened in the past, that we learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, or we have learned any framework like React, Angular, and we build simple applications. But right now in the industry, the clients you will work with, they will demand for what experience you are providing through the application which you have built. Okay, how you engaging all the visitor in the applications. So that's what we're going to talk about, that what are skills you need to have to become a high-paying front-end developer or a blockchain developer. So before I show you what are the things you need to do, let me show you a couple of examples which will take your attention. Okay, so this is the very first application which I have already opened in my browser, and let me show you what this application has. So the moment I will scroll, you will see these leaves at the background, it's moving, and this is a product website. As you can see, it's moving. The more you will scroll, this will keep moving. You can see how beautiful it is and how interactive it is. These are the things will give you extra push if you have the skills to design this kind of applications. Let me show you one more, and I believe that this website you have already seen in other videos, but Bruno Simon, he is amazing, and the kind of portfolio application he has created is absolutely mind-blowing. So let me click on this. Who doesn't like this styles? Let's click on this. A nice field will get created where you will have this car, and you can easily able to move the car wherever you want. And this guy Bruno Simon, I already took his course, which I will talk about at the end of this video. Okay, he apply physics. So if you can come, what you can do, you can simply drag, you can go wherever you want. You can see, you can go, you have all these fields, you can easily able to move it. And he have also explained about the project he has worked on. So this is the project section, this is the reset section, project section actually, and here is the beautiful creatures. Here you can able to find all the things. So boost, break, mute, reset, zoom, all the things you can able to find. And here he has worked on a couple of projects. That's all project he are displaying. If you send your portfolio like this, then you can imagine when the recruiter will see your portfolio that you have the skill, you have designed this one. Who doesn't like to visit this kind of applications? It's really amazing. And let me show you the best part. Okay, you can easily able to move this car. So as you can see, you can go forward, you can hit this one. Okay, you can see, you can easily ride the car, you can go wherever you want. You can go, why it's not going fast? You can hit this. He apply physics. So I really like to play this game. And let's see a couple of more projects he has worked on. So this is the one project he has gone. So this is one project. You can easily able to turn the car. You can easily able to turn the car. So why the car is not turning? You can see, you can easily zoom out. You can zoom in, and you can turn the car from your mouse. So who doesn't like this kind of project? There is one more application, and this application was built for one of the Japan's railway advertisement. So they have built this interactive application. As you can see, you can pull this train and just leave it, and they have applied this physics, and it's happening on the real front end. So now the point I want to make, that why you should focus on more user experience. Anybody can build static page, anybody can build a simple application, but if you try to become a better developer, you have to focus on more experience. And there is one library called Three.js. I personally believe that every single front-end developer should learn how to work with Web3.js, because Web3.js is a 3D library, JavaScript library, which allow you to build application like this. So this application you can see built by Bruno Simon. It's built by using 3G. The reason why I'm telling you that you should learn about Three.js is that you can able to build this kind of application. All the application you can see, that's all built on Three.js. And Bruno Simon, I took his course like 4-5 months ago, and I'm still working on that course. It's a pretty huge course. There is a lot of things. He went very detailed in this Three.js library, where he talk about how you can build this kind of cool effects, cool applications. So you can simply scroll here. You can able to find what are the things you're going to learn. You can see beautiful architectures, beautiful animations. So he have built a lot of cool project which you can able to build right in this course. The reason why I'm telling you that it's not necessary that you have to take this course, I felt that I need to learn in detail, so I took this course. If you think that you can learn from yourself, if you think that you can learn from watching any YouTube tutorials, you can definitely watch and learn from there. The whole point of making this video that you should learn how to use 3D.js, because future is going to be all about experience. If you build better application with this kind of experience, interactive experience, nobody can stop you in the industry. And if you have this kind of project, I can take your guarantee, whenever you apply for a job, you will be the one who will get selected. So try to learn about this 3D.js, because it's all about experience. Again, I'm telling you, it's all about experience. You have to you can make yourself stand away from other. Okay, you have to do something different. Why should someone hire you? If he can build the same type of website and you can build the same type of style, why should I take you? The main point is, why should you will get selected? Everybody is better, because the same layout they can build, you can build, they can build. What extra you are adding? So if you have this skills, you can build 3 application like this interactive, then definitely your chances are always very high to get selected and get a job. Okay, so that's I wanted to cover, and that's the whole point of making this video, because I'm still learning. And in the field of blockchain, it's all about experience. You can see, I've seen that Facebook and other tech companies are focusing more on metaverse and virtual reality. The reason why I'm learning this 3JS, because I want to create a NFT marketplace that would be related to blockchains, where the user can work. The way you can see, you can easily able to walk, and you can able to create your NFTs, connect to the wallet, do the transactions. So that's one of the project idea I have in my mind, and for that I think if I build that kind of project, that will give me a very good stand in the industry. So that's why I took his course. It has been 4 months and I'm still continuing with this project. So I must tell you that if you can afford, you can definitely try this course. Or if the documentation is huge, if they have everything, so they have complete documentation. So if you can read and understand, you can definitely keep try here. So if you look at the examples, and here you will find what are the things you can build with 3JS, and this entire course is based on this 3JS. So whatever Bruno Simon will teach you in the course, that's completely about 3JS. So you can see, you can be able to build this, and you can move, you can be able to move, see what's inside. Here you have this, and you can have this walking man. Here you have that one. So you can see the possibilities are huge. You can do a lot of things. There is a none, idle, walk, run, all these things you can build. Sorry, if you provide in your application something like this, it's very interactive. You can easily able to retain the user for a longer time on the application. So in that way, your view rate will go up. So these are things really helpful. So I must recommend you to just start learning this 3JS. No matter from where you learn, but must try this. That will give you extra stand in the industry to become a better developer. Okay, so hope you have found this video valuable. If you really have any questions, any doubt, do leave in the comment section. And if you really have any suggestion for me, that would be really great for me, because I need your feedback, because I'm still learning. If you know something new, then do tell me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to learn. I'll try to make a video on that and try to clear all your doubts. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. Hope you have liked this, and if you are new to my channel, hit like and subscribe. That will motivate me a lot to make these videos and learn for myself and for you as well. Have a wonderful day.